Hello and welcome to Tech Support Wheel, and in this video I will show you how you can change the default mouse pointer in Windows 11. If you are bored with the default mouse cursor in Windows and want to change the cursor and customize it, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how you can change the size and style of the mouse pointer, and even add a custom fancy cursor. Watch the video till the end, and you will know everything. In your Windows search for mouse settings. Click on the result to open the mouse settings panel. Open the mouse pointer option. Let's first change the size of the cursor, so you see the changes better. I will make it somewhere around this. This is the default white mouse pointer. This is the black pointer. And this is the inverted pointer, which means the pointer becomes black for white background and white for black background. Basically, it inverts the color of the pointer based on the background. I have a photo to explain this better. In this image, if I move my mouse pointer on these colors, see how the color of the pointer changes. Next option is the custom color. You can choose from any of the recommended color or even choose your own mouse pointer color. To have your custom pointer, go to Additional Mouse Settings. Under Pointers tab, click on Browse for the type of select and choose the respective custom pointer from your hard drive. Let me customize the normal select for now. Click on Apply and then OK. Yep, the pointer is now changed. In case you are wondering from where I got these custom pointers, you can search on Google, and there are many free pointers you will get. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this video has helped you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Support Wheel for more useful contents like this.